Now, in the second video class, we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of alcohols. Okay, beta. Alcohol. What is the functional group of alcohol? OH. Due to presence of OH, we have to add the secondary suffix that is nothing but O. And for alcohols, we can say the common IUPAC name. Common IUPAC name of alcohol, we can say that is nothing but alkanol. Okay, beta. Due to presence of OH group, we can add the secondary suffix that is nothing but O. Okay, let us see some compounds, their IUPAC names and their common names. We are going to be discussing now, beta. Okay, the compound is nothing but CH3 bonded to OH. CH3 bonded to OH. So, what is the compound common name, beta? Methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. And now we are going to write the IUPAC name. So here how many carbons are there? Only one carbon is there. So for that we have to write the root word that is nothing but meth. And here how many bonds are there? Single bond is there. And due to presence of single bond, we have to write the primary suffix that is nothing but A. And due to presence of OH group, we have to add the secondary suffix that is nothing but ol. So what is the IUPAC name of CH3OH compound, beta? Methanol, or we can say one more name very important for objective. This is nothing but carbinol. Okay, beta? Right. Next compound. Go for next compound. CH3 bonded to CH2, CH2 bonded to OH. So for this compound, the common name is nothing but ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Again, presence of two carbon, we have to say that the root word is nothing but ane. Again, presence of single bond is nothing but ane. Again, presence of OH is nothing but, we have to say that ethanol. Next, beta. So another compound I am going to consider CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, OH. So this is nothing but propyl group. This is in normal form, straight form. So we have to say the common name is N-propyl alcohol. Okay, beta. Right, IUPAC name. OH connected carbon is 1 and this is second carbon and this is third carbon. So prop and ane and one. So we have to say that the IUPAC name is nothing but propane 1-ol, or simply we can say that 1-propanol. Now this is normal form. So this normal form now I am going to convert into what, beta? Isoform. Right. CH3 bond CH. Below plane is nothing but CH3 and bonded to what, beta? OH. So this is nothing but which form, beta? Isoform. Again here how many carbons are here? 3 carbon. So we can say that isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, beta. Right. IUPAC name. So we can go from left side or we can go from down side also. We are getting same nomenclature, beta. 1, 2, 3. So propane 2-ol. So the IUPAC name is nothing but propane 2-ol, or we can say that 2-propanol. Right, Nana. So 3 carbon nomenclature is over. Go for 4 carbon alcohol. Right. CH3 bonded to CH2, again bonded to CH2, again bonded to CH2, bonded to OH. 4 carbon alcohol. Means butyl alcohol. This is in straight form. So we have to say that N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol. IUPAC name we can easily write, Nana. OH connected carbon is 1 and this is second one and this one is third one and this one is fourth one. Fourth one is nothing but we have to say that butane 1 connected to ol. So butane 1-ol, or we can say 1-butanol. Next. So normal butyl alcohol, now I am going to convert into isoform, beta. So CH3 bonded to CH. Below plane is CH3. Again you suppose CH connected to CH2, CH2 bonded to OH. Right. So this is normal form and this one is what, beta? Isoform. So we are getting the product is nothing but isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. Right, IUPAC name. OH connected is 1 and this is 2 and last carbon is third carbon. Below one CH3 is there. Now that act as side chain. 2-methyl propane 1-ol. So what is the side chain, beta? Methyl. What is its position? Methyl, second position. So 2-methyl side chain was over. Remaining propane 1-ol, or simply we can say that 1-propanol. 2-methyl 1-propanol. Okay, right now. Next compound, normal butyl, okay, isobutyl, okay, but both are primary forms. If you want, you can check. Now I want to write secondary alcoholic form. Right, CH3 bonded to CH. Now below plane OH bonded to CH2, again bonded to CH3. Okay, beta. Right, OH connected to the carbon, carbon connected to surrounding two carbon, secondary form. Total carbons are 4, means we have to say that butyl. And what is the group is there? Alcohol. So secondary butyl alcohol. Let us write IUPAC name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. What is the ol position? 2. So butane, 2 ol, or simply we can say that 2 butanol. 2 butanol. Okay, beta? Right, Nana. Next one is nothing but, this is secondary form, na beta? No, we are going to convert into tertiary form. Right. CH3 bonded to C, above plane CH3, below plane CH3, it is connected to OH. OH connected to carbon, carbon के surrounding में 3 carbons. So we have to say that tertiary, total number of carbons are 4. We have to say that butyl. What is the group, Nana? OH. So we have to say that tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC nomenclature. So this is nothing but main chain because of it contains 3 carbons. So 1, 2, 3. Upon second carbon, what is the side chain is there? Methyl. So 2 methyl, propane, 2 ol. So what is the side chain? Methyl. What is its position? Second position. 2 methyl. Side chain was over. Remaining root, what? How many carbons are there? 3 carbons. So we can say propane, 2 ol, or simply we can say that 2 propanol. So what is the final IUPAC name of this compound? 2 methyl, 2 propanol. Let us go for another compound, beta. CH3 bonded to C, above plane CH3, below plane I am going to write that CH2, again CH3. Now the central carbon connected to OH. Again OH connected to the carbon, carbon connected to surrounding 3 carbon. So we have to say that tertiary, AB tertiary, but here this is butyl form, but here C count how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many side carbons are there, beta? 5. So we have to say that tertiary pentyl. Pentyl का one more common name है beta, that is nothing but amyl. Very, very, very important. Amyl means pentyl side chain. So tertiary amyl. What is the group, beta? Alcohol. Good. Yeah, let us go for IUPAC name. Easily you can write, Nana. So so here we can consider this is nothing but what, Nana? Parent chain, or we can say it contains more number of carbons. So let us go for numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upon side carbon there is a side chain. 2 methyl. Total number of carbons are 4, means butane, 2 ol, or simply we can say that 2 butanol. I hope you understand. Next I am going to write one more compound, that is nothing but CH3 bonded to C, above plane CH3, below plane CH3, bonded to CH2, CH2 bonded to OH. Again this one is tertiary form. No beta, it can't be tertiary, it is primary. OH connected to carbon, carbon connected to one more carbon. So before going to say primary, it is nothing but neo form. Why? Carbon connected to surrounding 4 carbon, that is nothing but neo form. Yes, we have to say that this is nothing but neo. And total carbons are, how many carbons are there? 5. So we have to say that neopentyl alcohol. Let us select the root word, or we can say okay, the parent chain. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, Nana? Yes, यहाँ पर भी 3 है, but this is connected to functional group, Nana. Okay, right. So 2 के ऊपर भी side chain, 2 के नीचे भी side chain. ऊपर भी मिथाइल, नीचे भी मिथाइल. 2, 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl. Propane, 1 ol. Or simply we can say that 1 propanol. Okay, beta? Right. Next, another example. CH2 bonded to OH, bonded to CH2 bonded to OH. Tell me now what is the compound common name? This is belongs to dihydric category. Yesterday I told you, na beta? Right. So its common name is nothing but glycol, or simply we can say that ethylene glycol. CH2 means methylene, CH2 means ethylene. OH, this is nothing but glycol form. So ethylene glycol, right, root word, first carbon, second carbon, this is nothing but eighth, and this is ane, ol, diol. So we have to say the IUPAC name is nothing but ethane, one position, two position, both are connected to ol. So we have to say that ethane 1,2 diol. Right, better. Go for another example. CH2 bond OH bonded to CH bonded to OH bonded to CH2 bonded to OH. Okay, beta? Right. So now for this category I am going to write the common name. I hope common name is also we know very well. This is a trihydric alcohol. Yesterday I told you. Right. So its compound common name is what, beta? Glycerol. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. So total 3 carbons are here. So we can say what is the root word, Nana? Prop, and they are having single bond. So we have to say that propane, 1 ol, 2 ol, 3 ol. So simply we have to say that propane 1, 2, 3 triol. In that way we have to give the nomenclature of alcohols, maybe monohydric or maybe dihydric or maybe trihydric, whatever that may be. In that manner we have to give the nomenclature of what, beta? Alcohols. So based on alcohols I want to give you 2-3 questions. Try to practice yourself. Okay, right. So they will ask you the questions. Write the IUPAC name of following compounds. Write the IUPAC name of following compounds. Like that they are going to ask you the question, Nana. Okay, let us see here. Question. Write the IUPAC name of following compounds. Write IUPAC names of. Right, number 1. Here I am going to consider a ring, 6-membered ring. Not trying benzene, just cyclohexane. And you suppose connected to the group is OH, and here I have given side chain. Next molecule I am giving to you. Right, beta. CH3 bond CH. This is very important structure. CH3 bond CH, double bond C, below plane CH2 bonded to OH. Again it connected to another CH2, another CH2, another CH2, again it bonded to Cl. Next, question number 3 for you. CH3 bonded to CH, below plane OH, bonded to COOH. Right, go for first one. Here around this cyclohexane ring, here 2 side chains are there. One is OH, one is CH3. But as per priority order, OH is nothing but, okay na, functional group, and it will become what, na? Side chain. 2-methyl cyclohexane, 1 connected to O. So we have to say that product is nothing but, yeah, first of all we have to write the side chain. So 2-methyl cyclohexane, 1 ol, or we can say that 1 cyclohexanol. Cyclohexane 1 ol or 1 cyclohexanol, as you wish. Right. So यहाँ पर Cl है बेटा, यहाँ पर OH है, यहाँ पर double bond. In the 3 comparison किए तो which is more priority functional group? OH. So this is first carbon and यहाँ पर second carbon. So we have to move towards the right side or left side? Left side जाना पड़ेगा because of here double bond is there, more priority group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay beta? Right. Now it becomes side chain now. Now it becomes side chain. Again for that side chain we have to give the numbering. This is 1 prime, this is 2 prime, this is 3 prime. Okay, let us write the IUPAC name. There is a side chain upon the position is 2. So we have to say that 2 in bracket mein. There is one more side chain upon 3 prime. 3 prime. 3 prime connected to what? Chloro, Cl. Okay, this is good. If side chain is 1 carbon methyl, side chain 2 carbon ethyl, side chain 3 carbon क्या बोलना पड़ेगा? Propyl. So 3 chloropropyl. Side chain was over. 3 prime chloropropyl present upon 2. Remaining total how many carbons are there? 4. 4 is nothing but bute. And what is the bond? Double bond. Double bond after 2. So we have to say that 2 in. And what is the group? OH. All position is nothing but 1. So we have to say that bute 2.